What is going on, guys? Auto Socks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a lot of stuff to cover with AMC, GameStop, the overall market, some additional plays. Make sure to watch the video all the way through. Like the video if you find value or just enjoy watching. It is free. That is all I ask. Let's get into it. AMC flat on the day, trading at $5.04. I have my charts adjusted for AMC and GameStop. I did a little bit of touch-up work just to see where exactly we are, since things have been barcoding sideways on both of these plays and everybody is waiting basically for that jump. First, we touch on AMC's chart. Have the cycles drawn out very particularly here from the very low back here in April. Red part of the cycle, yellow part of the cycle, green part of the cycle, blue, orange, green, red, red, yellow, green, blue, orange, green, red. With that being said, we have just finished the red cycle recently on AMC with everything mapped out accordingly, same time frames, so on and so forth. Where are we going to go from here after this red cycle is over and dealt with? Well, at this point, we are waiting to see a jump up, which is this blue cycle, and then a move up further. Basically meaning I don't think there's any more downside on AMC whatsoever. In my opinion, we are waiting for the jump up and then the jump higher, and there's basically no downside to this. Again, this is all in my opinion. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube, but based on what I see a lot of opportunity in AMC, and the same goes for GameStop. We're going to touch on GameStop right now. GameStop, same thing, red part of the cycle, green, blue, orange, red. Come back here, red part of the cycle to begin, green, blue, orange, red. Where are we? All things adjusted, everything accordingly. If we look at GameStop, we just finished the red cycle down here at this bottom, which you can see down here at this bottom. Now we see this curl higher, fighting resistance, not once, twice, three, until we get that nasty break, and we come all the way up to retest the relative highs that I made back here. GameStop, same thing, likely to come up, fighting resistance up to about $30, get a nasty break, and then come test relative highs around $44 to $48, and then we see where we go from there. Overall, all things adjusted, I see upside on AMC, I see upside as well on GameStop, and AMC institutional ownership has also been rising. You can see right here, institutional investors continue to add to their AMC bags, in which they have not added like this for quite a bit now. What's also interesting is retail used to hold about 90% of the float. Who sold, right? Probably nobody, but according to the numbers, retail sold, institutions bought up. What are they buying up for at this rate that we haven't seen? Likely a move higher. Also, Renaissance Technologies, which is one of the most successful hedge funds of all time, has increased their GME position by 34% or 342,000 shares. This hedge fund could know what's coming for GameStop. Also, I just want to note that this may be a false statement that they are one of the best hedge funds of all time. However, they did increase ownership in GameStop, so more institutions buying AMC as well as GME. AMC short interest saw another decrease down to 14.9%. According to Ortex, we're seeing a nice options chain for the week with 22,000 calls expiring in the money compared to 4,000 puts for AMC, and then a ton of calls expiring out of the money, so we could see some gamma if they start to trail higher. GameStop's actually losing on the options chain, 20,000 compared to 34,000 call to put ratio, and then a ton of options expiring out of the money going to market makers for GameStop. So hopefully we see a move this week. Also, I want to note, keep an eye on Chewy. We actually had this rising wedge and we broke to the upside instead of the downside, breaking above that fib level, which I said to watch, which would bring us up to about $25.10. Now we're trading at $25.07. We did test that level. A close above $25.25 is going to give Chewy a massive opportunity to come back up to $31.40. And keep in mind, they do have earnings August 28th, yet the dog days of summer are over. Maybe this is just a major trap. Who knows? But keep an eye on Chewy as well as COS. COS was up 9% today, now sitting up 7.37%. So Chewy up 6%, COS up 8%, Cassava Science is also up 8%. That thing's getting a nasty move. These small cap squeeze plays are starting to get their move. And this is going to lead us into the S&P 500 because I think this is the next important thing to talk about. Things that are going to affect the market this week. United States, France, the United Kingdom, Germany, and Italy issued a joint statement calling on Iran to back down. So more things happening with war, more people getting involved. Also, CPI data coming out tomorrow, Wednesday, August 14th, 2024, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Jumping into the SPY's chart, 538.81, getting very close to the structural resistance that I've been watching, 543. If the SPY cannot close above 543, that is where I'm going deep into puts, and you can know more facts about it in Discord if you get in Discord. We're currently up a full % on the SPY, trading back in this channel on the 4-hour time frame, and it's looking beautiful. If we actually close above 538, that will be bullish on the SPY. The SPY has a little bit of a gap fill at 539.65, so watch for that 539.60 zone to get hit, potentially reject. Anywhere between 539.60 and 543, you could see SPY not be able to hold up anymore. Overall, I don't see too much strength, especially on fading volume as the SPY climbs up, but it is too early to take entry in my opinion, at least for, a couple week play, not necessarily the same day. You could have easily gotten in, gotten out couple times here. Nvidia opened above 111, which is extremely bullish in my book. The next level we're watching is 118 on Nvidia. Watch for a rejection at 118 on Nvidia. Nvidia could very well reject there, and you could see a massive catalyst for the market at 543 getting a rejection and everything collapse once again. This could just be a nasty trap. However, if Nvidia opens above 118 just like it did at 111, I think now it's rocket time, and that's confirmation to go break the all-time highs at 135, 140 and just go higher on Nvidia. Tesla also got a nice move up 4%, trading at 204.92. I don't see anything too good with Tesla unless we close above 210, and this could just be sympathy from Elon Musk and Trump's interview, so keep that in mind as well. Overall, Tesla not looking bad, traded in this channel, fighting to break out of the channel. Will it do so? Potentially. Overall, still watching for a close above 210. Bitcoin, really not much to say. Failing levels, but sitting sideways. What's happening here is everybody's waiting for the uncertainty to become certain. What catalysts are going to kick off the market in what direction? That's the same thing with Bitcoin. Where is money going to go? Does money flow in or does money flow out? And as of right now, people are sitting on their hands. That's what's happening. Overall, guys, this is what I got for you for today's video. Make sure to get in the Discord. It's the third link down below where I post my trades. As soon as I enter them, we talk stocks and crypto all day long. Overall, best vibes, best people. It's a coffee a month. Everybody is becoming financially free like you want to do yourself, so get in there. Basically a big group chat. We also post our gains, post our losses, there's options, trading alerts, and more, and it's just a coffee a month. The second link under the video is for Moomoo, where you can get up to 20 free stocks for pressing the link, opening an account for free, and then making a deposit into your account. Your money is insured. They're giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more, all for free, unlike the other platforms that charge you and or don't have those tools that they have. They also give you 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. You tell me right now if your high yield savings account is even giving you that. Press the link, open an account, and deposit into there. Lastly, the top link under the video is for my custom indicator, pattern detection, and forecasting. It detects patterns automatically in the charts for whatever time frame you set it at. Gives you price targets, forecasts what the stock is going to do or might do, and I think I have the most powerful indicator out there, or one of the best, which is exactly why I allow you to get a 14-day free trial on my indicator right now. It's the top link under the video. That is it, guys. I love you. Peace.